Hello there. My name is Ismail from Lemon, and today we'll be looking at the businesses that are winning at SEO, being the ones that are brutally honest about themselves. Every business publishes the same kind of content. We are the best. Here's why you should choose us. Here are our 5-star reviews, and buyers have become completely immune to it because they know it's marketing, so they go somewhere else to find the truth. Review sites, Reddit threads, comparison pages written by people with no stake in the outcome. What if you publish that content yourself? What if you were the most honest voice in your entire industry about what your product does well and what it doesn't do well? Today, we are talking about why that might be the most underrated SEO strategy available right now. Firstly, the buyers are already actively searching for your weaknesses and someone is answering them. Type almost any product or service into Google, followed by the words problems or alternatives or honest reviews. Those searches happen millions of times a day. And right now, the pages answering them are mostly affiliate sites chasing commission or review platforms with questionable credibility and Reddit threads with outdated information. Here's the opportunity. If you published genuinely honest content about your own product limitation, who it's for, who it isn't for, where competitors genuinely do things better, you would rank for the exact searches your most serious buyers are making. The people searching your product versus the competitor are not casual browsers. They are buyers in the final stages of a decision, and right now, a third party is having that conversation with them instead of you. You can't let that happen. The next thing is that honest content attracts better qualified leads. Here's the counterintuitive part. If you are transparent about your limitations, the people who still choose you are a better fit. They knew the weaknesses going in, they made an informed decision, which means lower return rates, fewer support complaints, and longer customer relationships with better reviews. From an SEO perspective, that matters enormously. Better customers leave better reviews. Better reviews improve your brand search results. Better brand signals improve your overall domain authority. Honesty at the top of the funnel quietly improves almost every metric further down. The next thing you need to know is that Google's algorithm is getting better and better at detecting genuine trust. Google has been moving in one direction for years, away from content that performs trustworthiness and towards content that actually demonstrates it. EEAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust is Google's framework for evaluating whether content deserves to rank. And one of the clearest signals of genuine trust is content that acknowledges nuance, limitation, and complexity. A page that says our product is not right for you if reads completely different to Google's quality evaluators than a page that says our product is perfect for everyone. One sounds like marketing and one sounds like expertise. Expertise ranks. The next thing you need to know is that comparison pages are one of the highest converting content formats in SEO. The us versus them page is one of the most powerful pieces of content a business can publish. Done badly, it's embarrassing. A biased takedown that fools nobody. Done well, it's something completely different. An honest, balanced comparison that acknowledges where a competitor is genuinely stronger, explains clearly where you have the advantage, and helps the reader make a real decision. And look at it from this perspective. The competitor might probably be lying to them about what their strengths and weaknesses are, and you are being honest. That can be attractive. The page attracts buyers who are already comparing you. It keeps that conversation on your turf instead of a third-party site, and it converts at a rate almost no other content matches because the person reading it has already decided they are buying something. They haven't just decided who from yet. Now, how do you actually do this? Starts with the questions your sales team gets asked most often before the deal closes. What are your weaknesses? How do you compare to competitor X? Is this right for a business our size? Those questions are keywords, and right now someone else is ranking for them. Write a page for each one. Be genuinely honest, not performatively humble, actually honest. There's a difference, and readers will feel it immediately. Then you publish comparison pages against your main competitors. Acknowledge where they are stronger. Explain specifically where you win. Let the reader decide. The businesses that do this well don't just rank for more keywords. They build a reputation in the market for being the company that tells the truth. And in the landscape saturated with marketing content that trusts nobody and convinces nobody, the reputation is worth more than any backlink. Now, your competitors are all saying the same thing. Nobody believes any of them. Be the business that tells the truth and watch what happens to your rankings and your reputation. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this content to be useful, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Goodbye till the next one.